hello guys, welcome to another video, and for this video I will be configuring a switch and a router and trying to connect both of the pieces from one another. And let's get started. So the cables that we will be using is the UTP and the console cable. So first things first, we will need to connect first the console cable to the switch that we will be using. So we will connect the console cable to the PC that we will be doing the where we will be doing the some of the configurations. And let's go to this PC and we will search for the PATI app or the PATI terminal. And in the PATI configuration, we will be clicking the serial as we inserted the cable to the serial port. Click OK. So we're at the CLI and we will start the configuration here. So enable command and configure terminal. So we're at the global configuration mode, and first we will change the host name of the switch that we will be configuring. So type in the hostname command and the hostname that we desire, and there, as we can see, it changed the switch name. And next is we will be inputting some security passcodes for some of the interfaces. So first is the line console 0, and type in the password command to set up the password that we want to assign. Password Cisco. So enter the login command and exit. So next is the line VTY. Line VTY 015, and the same goes with inputting the password command. So password Cisco, enter the login and exit. So next we will be encrypting some of the plaintext passcodes. So type in the service password encryption. Encryption command. And next we will be setting up some banner. So banner MOTD space the delimiter. So authorized person email only. And next thing that we want to configure to the switch is setting up the IP. So let's type in the interface. So as we are configuring the switch, we will be needing to set up the IP address in the VLAN interface. VLAN 1. And we will type in the IP address command to assign an IPv4 address. So IP address 172.168.0.2 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.248, and we'll type in the no shutdown command to enable the interface and exit. So I will show you how that the banners are working, and also the user access verification is shown, and for the password to enter the configuration Cisco. So as you can see, the password is encrypted or go. So after the configuration for the switch, we will go next to configuring the router. So let's minimize. So we will unplug this console cable and insert it to the router. This first router. Is it open? So let's search again the PATI. We have restarted the PATI and go to serial. Press enter and we're at the okay. Yeah. Go. So we are in the command line interface of the router. So we will be configuring that. So let's click enable command, the router. So we're at the privileged exec mode. And click the configure terminal. And let's change the host name R1, and we have changed the host name to R1. So next thing that we need to do is so much of the same as the switch configuration that we have made. So starting off with the line console and password, same password, enable the login, next it. So next is the line VPY, password same, enable the login also, and next is we will encrypt the plaintext password. So password encryption and the enable secret command to input a password in the privilege exec mode. And next is the banner, same as the other, the switch configuration. Go. So after configuring the switch in the router, we will go to the next step, which is the setting up of assigning the IP addresses for both of the desktop PCs. So we will be using this UTP cable and insert it to both of the desktop computers. So as we connect it to the desktop computer that we have made the configuration way, and we will insert it to the we will insert it first in the first port. Same as the other one. Just insert it next to the first one. There, we plugged it in correctly. It will light up. So as we plug that in, we will assign the IP addresses. So we will search for the Ethernet settings and click change adapter options and click this Ethernet to the properties, and we will click the Ethernet protocol version 4 in setting up the IPv4 address. We will not click the obtain the IP address automatically, so we will assign manually. For the IP address, we'll type in the 172.168.0.3. For the subnet mask, will be the same as the one we have assigned to the switch, and click OK.
Go.
So we will assign an IP address for the desktop PC number 2. So we will also search for the Ethernet settings. Ethernet, what's that? So open the Ethernet settings also. Change adapter options. Double click Ethernet. This is the properties, so click the Ethernet protocol version 4. Where's the configuration? So we will manually assign another address 72.168.0.4 for the subnet mask. Same as the switch in the first desktop PC 248. Oh, okay. And after assigning the IP addresses for the desktop 1 and the desktop 2, we will start with pinging the both devices. So we'll go to the command prompt and type in the ping command and the address that we want, 168.0.3.
Go.
So a while ago, as we ping both of the pieces together, I ulit.
Go.
So I have made a mistake in pinging both of the desktop computers together to one another, because a while ago I have pinged the address of this PC to itself. So now I will start pinging the other PC's address. That 168.0.4. And as we can see, the address is responded, which means that we have successfully connected both of the PCs to one another. And that's it for this video, and I hope you learned from what I did, and thank you.